Hi everyone, welcome to Bulunmaz YouTube channel. This is Banglemaster 8-axis, the Eco version of our legendary Banglemaster CNC milling machine. We are having low-cost requests for our Banglemaster, that's why we designed our 8-axis machine for you. Instead of having two of these diamond cut heads, we are using just one of the diamond cut head on 8-axis version. So you can use that diamond cut head for background design or diamond cut design. Here you can see a surface scanner on this machine. Actually that's optional and you can even deduct it from your machine and get your cost even lower. Instead of the automatic tool changer spindle, we made a manual tool changer spindle on Banglemaster 8-axis. You can still change the tools by hand. All you need to do is give the command and the machine releases the tool and you can put your tool by hand and lock it from the control panel. As there is no automatic tool changer option, we just take out our tool change, but still you have a strong spindle. That's a 50,000 RPM and 2.8 kilowatt spindle, just like our 12-axis version. Only the difference is there is no tool changer. Talking about the ring or bangle holder part, that's exactly same as our 11-axis. It can turn up and down and it is still making the auto reduce control. Just one difference from 12-axis, it cannot go inside and outside. It's exactly same as our 11-axis version. If you wanna know about our 12-axis version and compare with the 8-axis version, I'm putting the link of our 12-axis version video here so you can watch both and understand the difference between our machines. Furkan has two different samples in his mind today, so he will introduce us using Banglemaster 8-axis version two beautiful samples. Please show us. Thank you very much, our technician Furkan. In this model, we just saw how the diamond cut head works. As you know, our diamond cut head can work 360 degrees around and we just created a diamond cut pattern, but you can also use this head as a background design. In our next model, we will use our spindle motor and we will show you how you can combine even two tools without the automatic tool changer in Bulunmaz Banglemaster 8-axis. we had a quick demo about our Banglemaster 8-axis machine. If you still have questions, just contact to our sales guys or our technical guys. We will guide you more about Banglemaster 8-axis. I will put all the contact details on the description, so just click on the descriptions below the video and see our contacts in your language: English, Spanish, Russian, Arabic, Chinese, many different languages. Our experienced staff is looking forward to guide you with your orders. I hope you like our YouTube videos. You subscribe our YouTube channel? Of course. Did you subscribe?
Yes.
If you don't, please subscribe.
Please subscribe.
Subscribe. We are posting every Friday new videos about jewelry technologies, so don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel to be updated about the jewelry production. Thank you very much for your time. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you very much for this great demonstration.
You're welcome.
See you again in the next videos.